Hi, thanks for calling Domino's.
Hello, robot
Our
lady.
today is the party pack. Get 2 large, 2-topping pizzas with an order of any of our bread sides for only $22.99.
Wow.
This
Wow.
call may be monitored.
That's
or
a good
recorded.
deal.
We'll be right with you.
Nice deal.
Thanks for calling Domino's. This is Steve to carry out our delivery.
What's up, Steve? How's it going? This will be at a delivery, please. No.
Okay,
Carry out.
I need your phone number.
My phone number is wait, hold up. I just got a new phone. Hold on, I need to check.
502
502
649
649.
987
649.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, sorry, yes, sir. What?
Go ahead.
9872.
9872.
2. Yes, sir.
All right, name?
This name is Kronk.
Kronk?
No, people always say it's Kronk. Kronk. My parents are Scandinavian. Yeah, Kronk.
Yeah, that's what I said. Just probably came out wrong.
Oh,
All
okay.
right, what can I get for you?
Is there a way I can like build my own pizza? You know, like have the toppings on it and stuff.
Well, every pizza is build your own pizza unless it's a specialty pizza.
Very true, man. Very true.
I have a large of the 3 toppings for $7.99.
That's a good deal. I think I'll go with that.
Okay, you want that hand tossed Brooklyn style or thin crust?
Ooh, Brooklyn style. Gotta go with that.
Okay.
Oh,
And what would you like on it?
hey, Karen, what you want? What was that? Oh, okay. She wants pepperoni. My wife. Yes. And can you do it like half?
I can.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hey, kids, what do you want? Nasty. No. They do not put that on. Ew. They wanted you to put Cheez-Its on pizza. That's nasty.
Cheese comes with it. Let's
No.
extra cheese.
They said Cheez-Its, like a snack.
Oh, cheese? No, we don't have.
Yeah.
You want pepperoni on the whole thing?
Just do half pepperoni and here. Choose a real topping, Junior. Come on.
Yeah, I got half pepperoni and half.
He said lettuce for some reason. I don't even know he liked lettuce. That's.
You want what on it?
He said lettuce. Do you have?
No, we don't have lettuce. It comes in a salad. It's already pre-made. I got spinach.
Yeah, that would probably do it. It tastes the same. It's just a leaf.
So you want spinach on the other side?
Yeah. Do you want anything else, Jeremy? What was that? Okay, go to your room, man. Go to your room. That's disgusting. They're not put that on pizza. Ew. He must be in a weird mood. He said cookie dough.
Alright, so I have a Brooklyn pizza, right side pepperoni, left side spinach. Anything else?
You know what? On the spinach side, put some bacon on there. They'll like the bacon. Get them to like bacon. There's a fly on there. Get out of here.
Is that gonna do it for you?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Alright. Alright, gonna be 8:47. Should be about 15 minutes.
Well, thank you. Wait. Do you have anything to drink?
Yeah, that's Coke products.
Okay. Hey, Jeremy. Before you go, here. What do you want? Milk? Oh, do you guys have milk?
Nope, no milk.
Okay, he'll just have to drink his mom's milk. That's fine.
Alright, thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Why does he know it's a prank?